They tell you that to get professional AI results, you need to pay for a professional tool or sets of tools. They show you fancy dashboards and they charge you $20, $30, even $50 or more a month. Today, I'm going to show you how to get 90% of that value for free. You just need a new playbook. Let's break this down. What's happening behind the scenes is that these tools, they usually and essentially run the same powerful AI models that you can access for free. What you're paying is for the convenience, a library of pre-written prompts packaged in a really nice looking app. But what if I told you that you could build your own and more powerful library in the next 2 minutes? We are going to show you great prompts that will replicate the most common paid features. For instance, a summarizer, a perfect summary, an idea generator, and boom, then 10 ideas ready to go. And finally, maybe an email rewriter. So you can see how it transforms your weak draft into something much more powerful. With these core functions, you skip the need for a paid tool. This isn't just about saving money. It's about you taking control. When you rely on paid tools, you're limited by their features. When you master prompting, your only limit is your imagination. You're no longer just a user. You're a creator. You're becoming an engineer. If you want to stop being a consumer and start being a master of these tools, subscribe for more practical AI strategies that will give you back your time and money. Leave in the comments your ideas and which tools you're canceling first. See you in the next video.